Alright, so many people don't have CapCut templates. If I open CapCut, I can see templates here. But it's not the case. So many people are complaining in the comments. I created 2 different videos. They cannot see these templates. And templates are easy to use and replace with your own media. Such as this template, I'm gonna remove this clip with my own media. So here is the template. I can just go and choose my own media here. Replace the clips. And here you can see that the clip has been replaced with a picture that I imported. But how to fix if you can't see them here? You know that CapCut is working on the basis of country and region, so this is why you don't see the option. First of all, make sure you log in your CapCut here with Google or any account you use on CapCut. Then install any VPN and change your country location to United States. I'm using ShadowRocket. All the links are in the description. You can go check. And by going to the links, you can purchase. This is not a very much expensive VPN. You can get unlimited data, unlimited devices, and everything is written here under each package. Don't buy one time, because one time is not a bundle or a package, but it is just extra data. So buy wherever it's written every month or every year. And you can use my coupon code. Here is the coupon code for 30% discount. After that, just go and connect this one. All the methods are described in my videos. Refer to this playlist. You will get to know all the information here. If you don't want to use this VPN, use any VPN. After that, connect the VPN. I'm connected here in the setting area. You can even have a free VPN. I'm not recommending only this VPN. So this one is connected to United States. So you don't see these templates in CapCut because CapCut templates have monetization options. So monetization is in the States. So it makes sense. Just use a VPN. No matter CapCut is working in your country, but just try to use a VPN and update your version. I'm using this version 7.7.0 beta 4 version, and you can update these templates or even in the older versions as well. On my phone, I'm also using this same VPN, and now I'm connected to a different server, different country. Now, if I open CapCut on my mobile phone, you will see the templates are here because I'm connected to a VPN. So I'm not selling VPNs, but if you want to use this one, you can use, or you can use any other VPN that is a free option for you. Connect to United States, Canada, Australia, or UK, and you will see these templates. Even in Japan. So whenever you will select a proxy of a different country, you will see the templates coming from those countries rather than only from states. Finally, if you are still unable to use these templates on phone or PC or MacBook, go to this website, CapCut.com/editor/graphics, log in with your account, and here you can see the template option. You can choose any template and use it. If you are still unable to use on native app, then browser is an option. Oh, by the way, pressing like button is completely free because it will give the positive signals to the algorithm. I'll see you.